Dear students, in the previous class, we have discussed about gas, atomic mass, valency, and how to write chemical formula of the compound. Today we are going to discuss about what is molecular mass, formula mass, and mole. One by one, let us see it. What is molecular mass? Molecular mass of the substance is defined as the sum of the atomic mass of all the atoms present in the compound or molecule. Okay, what is the difference between formula mass? Here also, formula mass unit is the sum of the atomic mass of all the atoms present in one formula unit of compound. Okay, here what is the unit is used same as the unit of atomic mass, that is U. Dear ones, now shall we calculate? I have written water. How can we find out molecular mass and formula mass unit of it? Okay, here two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen is present. So, we are going to add the sum of its atomic masses. So, 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus, and what about the atomic mass of oxygen? That is 16. So, 2 into 1, 2 plus 16, it is equal to 18. One more we shall write it. For example, I am writing for sodium chloride. Okay. Sodium atomic mass is 23 and chlorine it is 35. Since only one atom is there, so there is no multiplication here. So 23 plus 35 it is equal to 58. Let us see one more thing. For example, we can do it for the carbon dioxide. So here, carbon atomic mass is 12 and oxygen is 16. Since two oxygen atoms are there, so I am writing with 2 into 16. So 2 into 16 is 32. So it is equal to 44 U. And if they are asking to find out formula mass unit also, the same method you are going to follow. Okay. Hope you understood what is molecular mass and formula mass. Now we shall see about what is mole. The quantity or unit is very important for all the terms. We have seen the term or the unit for atomic mass is U. And what about the case of atoms? In 1921, the scientist named Ostwald, he derived the term mole from Latin word, and this word, that means this mole, was considered as the unit for atom. Okay. If the atom is measured in mass, it is very difficult. So they started to measure its quantity in numbers. The term that is used is called mole. So 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 number of atoms. In 1 mole, these many atoms are present. For example, already I have told you 1 dozen means 12. Is it? So the same way they measured the atoms using the term mole, and this number is called Avogadro number. This number is called Avogadro number and it is denoted like N0. Okay. Then one more advantage of this mole is this one mole can be equal to the relative atomic or molecular mass of the substance. So we can change the unit U into G also because U is the unit used to measure the atomic mass and it can be changed into gram because 1 mole is equal to relative mass or atomic molecular mass of the substances. Now we shall see some problem based on the formula N is equal to M by M and another one that is N by N0. So here M is called molar mass. Okay. M is the given mass of the substance and here given number of atoms of the substance and N0 is the Avogadro number. And what about small n? That is mole. So mole can be equal to M by capital M and N by N0. Okay, let us solve two problems based on these two formulas. Okay, here is a problem. Calculate moles of 50 gram of helium and its atomic mass. That means molar mass is 4. And 12.044 into 10 power 23 number of helium atom. Okay, what is the formula we shall use? For the first case, here, which are the data is given, N is asked to find out and capital M is given 4, that is molar mass of helium. Then small m is given, that is 52. So which formula I can choose? N is equal to small m by capital M. So 52 by 4 is equal to 13. Keep in your mind always N is in the form of constant. What about in the second case? So second case capital N is given, that is number of atom is given. And Avogadro number we know, that is N0 is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. So which formula I can choose? N is equal to N by N0. Substitute the value here into 10 power 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23. So 23 10 power 23 will be cancelled and in this case here 2 times it is present, so the answer is 2. Dear ones, hope you understood. How can we calculate number? Look at this problem. Calculate mass 0.5 mole of nitrogen and 0.5 mole of nitrogen atom. Okay, what shall we do for the first case? The first case, what are the things are given? Mole is given, small n is given, so 0.5 and they have asked to find out the mass of the nitrogen. So capital M, what about for nitrogen? Okay, nitrogen atom molar mass is 14. Since 2 atoms are here, so I have taken it as 28. We have to calculate M. So which formula I can use? N is equal to small m by capital M. I am going to substitute it and m by 28. So m is equal to 28 into 0.5. So the answer will be 14. Is it? Multiply and see. 28 is multiplied by 5. It is 44. Then 10. 4. After 1 decimal I am putting point. So the answer is 14. And what about for the second case? In the case of second one, here 6 nitrogen is present. So M you have to take it as 14. So the formula we are substituting. N is given 0.5 and small m we don't know, and capital M here you have to take it as 14. So M is equal to 14 into 0.5. The answer will be 7. You multiply and see it, 14 with 7. So that is, 5. It is 5 into 4, 20. 1 into 5 plus 2, 7. After 1 decimal I am putting point. So the answer is 7. Okay dear ones, hope you understood today's topic. What is molecular mass? The molecular mass is the sum of the atomic mass of all the atoms in the compound. Formula mass unit is also same one, but only the difference is in one formula unit of the compound. And what is 1 mole? Mole is the unit which is used to measure the quantity of the atom, and one of its advantage also, because one mole can be equal to relative mass of the substances. So in the place of U also we can write G. In mass also we can write it. And two formula you have learned. N is equal to small m by capital M, and it is equal to N by N0. And we have solved 2 problems. Hope you understood it. With this lesson is over.